Are you planning to go to Hong Kong soon pero medyo tight ang budget at naghahanap ka ng murang hotel and accommodation? Tara, tignan natin ang Rambler Oasis Hotel. It is located in Tsing Yi and malapit siya sa Hong Kong International Airport. And if your itinerary includes Hong Kong Disneyland, Ngongping 360 and Macau, this hotel is one of the best options that you should consider. We stayed here for 5 days and 4 nights and we booked this hotel via Klook for only 8,792 pesos. So, when you will look at the price, it's much more affordable compared sa mga magagandang hotels sa city center. The price for 2 nights in Rambler Oasis is almost equivalent to a 1-night stay at a hotel in the city center like TST, Mongkok, Causeway Bay. And so, I can really say that this is a budget-friendly hotel, yet offers a quality service without even compromising your comfort and safety. Of course, diba, after ng mahabang lakaran, mapapagod ka. So at the end of the day, you need a very comfortable place to stay where you can take a good rest talaga. And according to Klook app, there's a security deposit of 500 HKD. Pero hindi na nila kami kinuhanan nung nag-check-in kami. But we paid 3% hotel accommodation tax in compliance to the latest regulation issued by the government of Hong Kong. Small amount lang naman yun and we paid it in cash. Fast and easy ang check-in nila dito and yung mga elevators sobrang bilis lang, hindi ka mag-aantay ng matagal. Upon entering the room, I was surprised kasi spacious talaga siya and everything that you need nasa room na talaga. So yun lang muna for tonight and mamaya na lang yung room tour pagkagising namin. So good night! Good morning, everyone! Truly, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, the weather is very perfect for today. This is the view from our hotel in the morning. O, diba? Napakaganda. So, ngayon, gagawin natin yung quick room tour natin before kami lalabas at maglalakwat siya. So, let's begin. Hi guys! So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Rambler Oasis Hotel and I will give you a short and quick room tour. Ayan, so let's go! Sa labas ng room, ganyan. May parang pa-veranda. And our room is yan, 25th floor, room 33. Ayan, so tara, pasok tayo. Ay! Oh! Nakalak! Ang dali, nakalak pala. Yung totoo. Ayan. So, let's go. Pasok tayo. Ayan. So, this is our room. This one. Okay. So, here's our room. Sakto siya, maluwang. And, ayan. Yung key card. This is the bed. Actually, ano siya, dalawa siyang single bed kaso pinagdikit na lang namin siya. And ayan, may mirror dyan. Tapos, ayan, merong TV. Pagka-turn mo dito, there's a cabinet. Ito, cabinet. Pwede ka mag-ano dyan, mag-hang ng clothes. Pakita ko. Yan. Yan siya. And then, sa baba, cabinet din yan. Pwedeng paglagyan ng maleta. Maleta, mga shoes. And then, ito, pwedeng paglagyan ng mga anik-anik. Yan. So, meron silang pa-complementary tea. And, here, there's a mini ref. There's water heater. And, ayan, there's a TV. Okay, and this is the view sa room namin. And actually, yan, pwede pang pag-upuan to. Pwede rin mag-open dyan ng mga luggage. Yan. So, spacious siya actually. Maganda siya for 2. Tingin ko kasya pa nga 3 eh. Ayan, so that's my husband. Hi naman dyan! Okay, and now let's go to the CR. So, ito po yung itsura ng CR. Sliding siya. So, ayan. May pa-free towel. Okay, and then, ayan siya. May mirror. Meron ka pag magtututbrush. May free blower. Yan. May free tissue. May tissue pa dun sa ilalim. And this is the sink. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating foldable tabo. Ayan. Tapos, pag turn mo, here's the tada! Yan na yung shower. Hot and cold shower na siya. And take note, yung tawag dito, water pressure is malakas. Yes. So, that's it. And then pala, may aircon. And malakas po ang wifi dito. Regarding naman po sa mga shops nearby, meron tayong Cafe de Coral, 7-Eleven, JHC, Park and Shop, and there is a Bank of China ATM sa Rambler Plaza. Tara, samahan nyo kaming kumain sa Cafe de Coral para may energy tayong maglakwat sa maghapon. Pili ka lang sa menu nila dyan, tapos picturean mo na lang and then pagpunta mo ng cashier, ipakita mo. They are accepting your octopus card or cash. So, ito yung in-order namin ng husband ko. Madami yung serving nila and nakakabusog talaga siya. In terms of location, madaming nagsasabi na malayo siya sa city center, but based on our experience, it is very accessible. So, there is a mini bus stop and it's just 4 to 5 minutes walk from the hotel. So, may 88F and 88G. 88F will get you to Qingyi MTR station if you are going to HKDL and Ngongping 360. The fare is 4 HKD per pax. And on the other hand, there is minibus 88G. This will lead you to Kwai Fong MTR station if you're going to Mongkok, TST, and Central. The fare is 4.5 HKD. That's it for now. So, I hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!